just did a bad thing. I regret the thing I did. And you're wondering what it is. I'll tell you what I did. I did a bad thing.
2 days ago, I met this dude in a Taco Bell, and he happened to have the Galaxy Fold, and I had never seen it in person before. And although I didn't like touch it, I didn't like grab the phone from the guy, I got a glimpse of it, and it got me thinking. I am going to be covering the Motorola Razr when it comes out, and I cannot wait for that. But in the meantime, I had been meaning to buy a Fold for a while. I wasn't able to afford it a couple months ago, but with saving and smart spending, like I went over in my How I Make Money video, here we are. I actually paid off the phone that I'm using to shoot this video, the 11 Pro Max. I paid that off, and now I'm paying monthly for this phone because this is an expensive thing. I'm going to be paying $66 a month, no money down on this phone, but it's worth it because it's such a cool phone, and I just wanted to cover it and, of course, compare it to the Motorola Razr in like early January. So here is the box. We're going to be shooting somewhat of a unboxing here, an impromptu one at that, but yeah, I'm so excited. Let's jump into things here. All right, so let's jump into the box here. We're going places. Okay, so that's a lot of unnecessary packaging. What the hell? This lifts up, and here is the Galaxy Fold here with all of its instructions. Care instruction: do not press the screen with hard or sharp object such as a pen or a fingernail, or apply excessive pressure. Well, as you may know, I have kind of long nails, so I'm kind of scared now. When folding the device, do not place any objects within it. This device is not water or dust resistant. Duh. Do not attach any adhesives or films to the screen. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, like credit cards, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so here it is in black, and let's just put this to the side for a second here and see what else is in the box. So that comes off here. Unfold the future. Meet your Galaxy Fold. Hell yeah. So that goes there. Galaxy Fold Premier Service. Fold Concierge. 24-hour, 1-year replacement offer. Give you peace of mind, this exciting new screen. We're offering a one-time out-of-screen warranty replacement. I got a protection plan anyway because this phone is so expensive. And here we have other literature pertaining to the product, I think. Let me see here. So we have Let's Get Started, AT&T stuff. Okay. How to apply. Oh, so this is the actual case cover that it comes with, which I'm actually kind of excited about. So let me just take this out of here. Yep, so yeah, this is cool. It comes with a carbon fiber little cover, which I really like. I saw it in store in the display that they just had up, actually. And then I have my SIM in here. It's funny, I was driving home from Best Buy because I had to buy this through AT&T in order to get it. And my iPhone just didn't have service, so I almost like didn't make it home because, of course, I'm your typical Gen Z, millennial type who can't navigate places without Google Maps, although I kind of knew where I was and I ended up figuring it out. But we got a charging cable, I believe, we got a quick charger, and we have the Galaxy Buds, which I'm actually excited about here. I'm not going to open these up right now. I'll probably cover these later, but let's get to the actual phone itself here. Let's put everything else to the side. So here we have the phone. I'm going to take the plastic off. Oh, baby. And then, oh, I'm so scared already. And here it is. This is unreal, man. Let's fold it for the first time. Oh, what? Oh my God. I bought this thing. I had no idea I was going to, and now I have it. And damn, she thick, or he thick, or whoever, whatever pronoun you want to use. This thing feels solid. And the opening mechanism is pretty powerful here. I'm already getting fingerprints all over this thing, but it's fine. Let's power it up. Yeah, so the screen, it does feel like plastic, which kind of scares me, but I'm going to take extra good care of it here. And once again, they do have like a $149 screen replacement, which is really nice. And honestly, since I plan on keeping this and using it, I might take Samsung up on their offer there. Let's go. Okay, so I am totally set up now here. We have it in the chocolate bar mode here I can show you. So here's the small display, and then you open it up, and then it's the big display. One thing I have noticed, or rather heard, is that when you do unfold it, I don't know, I feel like there is a grinding sound, although that's probably just the gears, and this is a brand new device, so there's no reason why it should be grinding or anything, but it's probably normal. I'll look into it. But the hinge mechanism here feels really sturdy. This feels like a very sturdy device, even though it is made out of metal and glass. Very high quality, very premium. This device feels very solid and very much like a really thick and skinny Note 10. I mean, that's Samsung's design language here. Let's open it up here for the main attraction. And I'll unlock with the fingerprint sensor on the side here. Let's go home. We have that butterfly wallpaper here. It's the Samsung One UI experience, although it's very refined. Like I said in my Note 10 review, it is the best iteration yet. It's obviously not my favorite version of Android, but with this device, I could care less. It's just so cool. So, you know, say I'm on Google News, whatever, just using this with one hand, and then, oh, you know, I just want to kind of see that bigger. That is so cool. Like, this is like holding a concept. I know people have had, you know, a bunch of videos and they've already had their reviews of it, but just, I'm telling you, this thing is nuts. I saw it in the store. I felt like I was like holding a concept, and it kind of is in a way. This is a first gen product, but let me show you the keyboard really quick here. So it scales really, really nicely, I have to say. So you can have it like this, you can have it towards the sides. Let's do it in landscape and see what it looks like. So yeah, similar. What else is there special about this? So let's do multitasking. So I'll assign that to one side of the screen, and then we'll do Spotify and another. Have that open. That's just so crazy. Let's hold it like this. That is just so cool. Like, this is, I'm speechless. This is nothing like I've ever experienced before. Let's open up the camera real quick too. This is the coolest thing I think with this phone. The fact that you can, you know, have like a full window to take pictures with. That's just, oh my God. Then here's the front camera. Hi, I'm just looking real sexy there. And then if we fold it, then you can get to the front camera like so, like this, for like a selfie or something. Yeah, I am wholeheartedly impressed with this. I'm scared to use it in some ways because it's kind of fragile, you know, still, even though they had made some changes to it, but I'm very optimistic, and I cannot wait to compare this to the Razr when I finally get my hands on that. And that about wraps things up, guys. I hope this video was fun. It certainly was for me. I can't wait to start using this as one of my daily drivers, although I probably will keep my 11 Pro Max in my pocket for, you know, like iMessage and other Apple services. This is a dope device. I just wanted to have it. I don't know how Samsung is going to change their folding screens, but I just had to have this version of it. God forbid they did change the design. And I just love the utility that comes with this folding display, unlike the Razr, which is more for aesthetic, but it's still super cool. But yeah, I'm super excited to have this device. I cannot wait to cover it for you, even though I am a little late to the party. And yeah, stay tuned for some fold coverage, and of course for some MacBook coverage, iPad coverage, Surface laptop coverage, other Christmas videos and whatnot. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and subscribe for more content like this if you are new here. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.